So it is finally time for this year's spring home tour video. And I'm excited to show you a few things around the house that I've changed since the last tour, and of course, some spring and Easter decorations. Unfortunately, the temperatures haven't been quite warm enough for bulbs to start sprouting outside, so I think in this tour I'm just going to keep the tour indoors. So the first room we'll start with is the entryway. Across from the staircase, I had fun adding some spring accents, including this adorable bunny feed pillow I found on Amazon. Fitting for April showers, I decorated with this umbrella, and across the entry table, I have a cute rabbit, a spring floral arrangement I put together, and a vintage Easter postcard. I set out this owl wax seal stamp as well. Across the room, on a vintage desk, is a neat antique rabbit inkwell I found, and in the window, some pre-chilled spring bulbs I started. I had a blast working on an Easter craft project where first I painted a canvas black. Then using a quilling tool and some quilling paper strips, I thread the paper through the tip of the quilling tool and wound the paper strip into a spool to create a paper coil. After gluing the coil closed, I pinched the coils into a variety of shapes like teardrops and other shapes that later will be made into flowers. Then I printed out some text from the Bible and cut out each line, curling the ends around a paintbrush handle to create a scroll look. Then I applied the shaped coils and some paper strips to the canvas with hot glue to create flowers. After attaching twine for hanging, I placed the finished Easter art piece above the desk by the front door. Through here is the fireplace room. I made these no-sew Easter pillows, which is a fun craft video you can find on my channel. On the table are some vintage finds, along with a small floral arrangement. Across the room is the fireplace area. I moved a picture from the kitchen to this wall to fill the space more. And here's how I decorated the fireplace. Gold candlesticks and a gold rabbit decorate the mantle beneath a wreath full of bright flowers and vintage Easter postcards. This is the living room. Here is another Easter pillow I made in the video. And over here is a neat rabbit I found at HomeGoods. On this vintage rocking chair I got from a friend is this rustic rabbit pillow I found on Amazon. And behind the couch I have a spring container in full bloom. And of course, some more vintage postcards. Underneath are these adorable little decorations I found last weekend while shopping with my grandma. And this is how I decorated the tea cart. And here is the dining room. I set out my green cabbage dishes on the table and found some vibrant artificial hyacinths for a centerpiece. I thought these bee napkins were perfect for this season and was so happy to use my vintage table runner that I found at an antique shop. On the other side of the room is the buffet, decorated with a floral arrangement I added some tulips to, and another bunny figure that matches the one in the entryway. I was so happy to get this little table and chairs for my grandma. I remember sitting at it when I was little, so it makes me smile every time I see it. My streptocarpus plant is in full bloom. I just love this plant and it is so easy to care for. Across the room in the built-in cabinet are some blue and white canisters and decorations that I found, along with some vintage decorations and some bunny place card holders we got from Tim's Gram. And next is the kitchen. Right when you walk in, I have this cute picture I found. A recent project was updating this island, which I did by repainting the wooden sides and legs, refinishing the top to match the window trim color, placing these metal bins on the shelves for storage, and adding these 2 antique bar stools that I got from my grandma. I decorated the top with a tiered tray full of green depression glass, some floral, and a vintage squirrel cookie jar. I've added a few more finds to the shelves above too, like this old egg scale. And this is the coffee area. I decided to make a K-cup and treat Easter basket for guests to enjoy, and set out some Easter-themed coffee cups too. Over here, I have a few Easter decorations in the window above the sink, and a small Easter tree full of ornaments from Tim's Gram in the other kitchen window. This spring, I also tackled the basement laundry area, updating it with paint and a mix of new and vintage decorations. I added a few spring touches to the little guest room on the second floor. I added some artificial floral and a dried floral wreath to brighten up the feel of the room, and set out an Easter basket I put together for my brother, which is another video you can watch on my channel. Out in the hall, I have this vintage paper Easter basket I got from my mother-in-law. And through here is our canary's room. I set this cute moss basket I picked up for $5 on the fireplace, and decorated the mantle with this floral garland I made in another video. This little book is a recent addition to my collection. And next to it, an old canary food tin I found at an antique shop, a fitting decoration, I thought, for Marshmallow's room. This really has been a fun, relaxing spring decorating and recording season. I hope this season's decorating videos have added a touch of spring excitement to your homes and hearts. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful spring season and a very happy Easter. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher Heidemann, and I love to decorate. Over the years, I've had a blast sharing a variety of craft and decorating videos. From cozy fall and spooky Halloween to warm and inviting Christmas. And other fun videos, including seasonal home tours, garden tours, simple desserts and treats, floral arrangements, and other projects to make your holidays and home even more spectacular.